Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix friends not showing on Google Maps. Let's get started. So, first of all, make sure location sharing is enabled for both you and your friends. Open up Google Maps, tap on your profile icon, scroll below, then tap on location sharing. Now tap on Share Location. Verify that your friends are listed and check that you are sharing your location with them as well. After that, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Head back to your home screen, open up the App Store, and then search for Google Maps. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. If this button says Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. Restart your device. Sometimes a free restart is all you need. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back again. This refreshes your system and can fix temporary glitches in Google Maps. After that, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent your friend's location from updating. So try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Also make sure that your connection is strong and stable. If the issue continues, uninstall Google Maps and then reinstall from the App Store. This fixes corrupted files or incorrect settings that might be causing the problem. After reinstalling, remember to set up location sharing again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.